When it comes to Quest 2 accessories or VR accessories, VRCover is a name that's been known forever. You might not have heard about it a ton on this channel because we haven't really done much of their stuff. Never reached out to them, never hit them up. I think most of the stuff I actually have on the channel, I actually bought myself just to see. They hit us up and they were like, hey, we'll send you a bunch of stuff. I don't even know what's in this box, and I know it's not, or bag, I know it's not all that's coming, but I thought, well, let's open it up and see one by one what's in here. Let's check it out. Bag already has a little hole in it, so that'll make it easy to just rip it open. It's funny because so this is facial interface pads, but when you buy a facial interface from them, they send you the pads separate from the interface. Usually it's in a separate box. So the pads are probably just something that came with this. The fitness facial interface there, which I haven't checked out. So this is their fitness specific one, which I was curious about. I don't know if this is kind of like a Kiwi's one. It has extra vents in it or something so that you get more sweat out. We've got another set of facial interface pads, so there must be another. Okay, there is another facial interface, the VR Oasis partnership one. So if you've never seen VR Oasis channel, it's hard to imagine if you're in VR you haven't. Huge VR YouTuber, I want to say like 600,000. A couple different YouTubers partnered up with VRCover to make their own custom VRCover facial interfaces. I believe that only went as far as the coloring. I don't think they actually got to suggest like, oh, I want these vents or this shape or this fit. Pretty sure it's only the colors, but we'll check those out. And speaking of, we have another one. We got the ThrillSeeker one, ThrillSeeker Edition VRCover one. I think the differences here is one is blue and one is pink. Okay, we've got so many freaking facial interface pads now that probably could have just sent one set, but maybe they all like come together automatically. I don't know what I'm gonna do with all these facial interface pads. This one here looks like it's their specific VR hygienic one. It's the same as the original, but it comes with a couple face covers that like stick onto it to cover it. If you're demoing VR, that's nice. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them, but hey, we'll have them. All right, very last thing, the VRCover brand case. Keep your headset fresh and clean. A carrying case, which does not look like it's made for Halo straps, but we'll do a full opening unboxing review on that as well. See what can and can't fit in there. A couple videos on some of these facial interfaces for you. So this is just a little preview of what's coming from VRCover, and there's more coming too. So watch out for these, watch out for more from them. Thank you to them for being so willing to support the channel and send us all kinds of stuff to check out. I'm really excited to get into these and see what some of these are like, especially these colorful ones, because that's just fun. So thank you for being here. Thanks VRCover, and I will see you in another reality.